Welcome to educational channel of sureshbhattclasses. We are going to learn variety of multiplication tricks and we start with multiplication by 5 and 25. If we multiply any number by 5, then basically we are multiplying it by 10 and dividing it by 2. So if there is a number n and we have to multiply it by 5, this can be written as n by 2 multiplied by 10. And this way it becomes easy to multiply and we can reach to the answer fast. Here number of questions are given and we are going to do it fast by the same trick. In this question 76 multiplied by 5. Instead of multiplying by 5, we divide 76 by 2 and multiply it by 10. Then that will be fast. So 76 divided by 2 is 38. And 38 multiplied by 10 is 380. Our second question is 104. 104 multiplied by 5. Instead of multiplying by 5, we divide it by 2 and then multiply it by 10. Half of 104 is 52. 52 multiplied by 10 is 520. 65 multiplied by 5. Half of 65 is 32.5. So 32.5 is 325 when multiplied by 10. Half of 130 is 65. So 130 multiplied by 5 is 650. 155 multiplied by 5. Half of 155 is 77.5. So 77.5 multiplied by 10 is 775. 86 multiplied by 5. Half of 86 is 43. So our multiplication will be 430. 66 multiplied by 5. Half of 66 is 30. So our answer will be 330. 58. Half of 58 is 29. So our answer will be 290. 94. Half of 94 is 47. So our answer will be 470. 146 multiplied by 5. Half of 146 is 73. So our answer is 730. When we have to multiply it by 5, then either we should multiply it by 10 and then half of it, or we should half first and multiply it by 10. I will recommend that you half first and then multiply by 10, because when you multiply it by 10 and then half, then the number becomes larger, and then when you half it, you may commit some mistake. So it is better you half first then multiply it by 10. Now we learn how to multiply any number by 25 fast. When we multiply any number by 25, it means that we are basically multiplying it by 100 and dividing it by 4, as n multiplied by 25 can be written as n divided by 4 multiplied by 100. And when you divide it by 4, then you have to half it twice to make it fast and then add 2 zeros for multiplying it by 100. So we solve the questions and it will be easier to understand then how to multiply it by 25. So 16 multiplied by 25, half of 16 is 8 and half of 8 is 4. So our answer is 400. 1/4 of 36 is 9. So multiplied by 25 is nothing else but to multiply it 9 by 100. So it becomes 900. 48 multiplied by 25. 48, half of 48 is 24 and half of 24 is 12. So our answer is 1200. 1/4 of 84 is 21. So our answer is 2100. Half of 92 is 46 and half of 46 is 23. So our next answer is 2300. 38 multiplied by 25. Here it is not divisible by 4. So we take 36 and half of 36 is 18 and half of 18 is 9. 900 plus 50. It is 950. 46 multiplied by 25. We can write it as 46. 44 plus 2 and 1/4 of 44 is 11. So this becomes 1150. 1150. 58 is 58 can be written as 56 plus 2. 1/4 of 56 is 14. So this becomes 1450. 1400 plus 50 is 1450 or 1450. 62 is 60 plus 2 and 1/4 of 60 is 15. So this becomes 1550 or 1550. 78 can be written as 76 plus 2 and this becomes 1/4 of 76 is 19. So this becomes 1950. Now we take few numbers in which when we divide it by 4 we get remainder as 1. 73 multiplied by 25, 72. We take 72 plus 1 and 72 when divided by 4 we get 18. So this becomes 1825. 89. 89 can be written as 88 plus 1 and 88 when divided by 4 gives us 22. So this becomes 2225, that is 2225. 97 can be written as 96 plus 1 and 1/4 of 96 24. So our answer is 2425. 33 can be written as 32 plus 1 and 33 multiplied by 25 gives us 825. 85 multiplied by 25. 85 can be written as 84 plus 1 and 1/4 of 84 is 21. So our answer is 2125. Now we take few numbers in which the remainder is 3 when divided by 4. 75 multiplied by 25. 75 can be written as 72 multiplied by 25 plus 3 multiplied by 25. This gives us 1875. 91 can be written as 88 plus 3 and 1/4 of 88 is 22. So this becomes 2275. 87 can be written as 84 plus 3 and our answer is 2175. 67 is 64 plus 3 multiplied by 25 and 64 is 1600 and 3 multiplied by 25 is 75. So this answer is 1675. 111 is either 112 minus 1 or 108 plus 3. 1/4 of 108 is 27. So our answer is 2700 plus 75 is 2775. This way we can multiply any number by 25 in which we have to divide it by 4 first, or we should do 2 times half and then multiply it by 100 and we can reach to the answer fast when we have to multiply it by 25. Here completes this video. Please share among your friends who are preparing for competitive exams and don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.